So just a quick note before we get started, to recover your autosave, all you have to do is press File, then Recover, then Autosave, and choose the file you want, and then press Recover Autosave. And what this basically does is it saves a previous version of your file, so if you ever crash or something, you can always use this. So yeah, let's just go over and make sure that your material is solid, and then go over to the layout, and we can check out the preferences. We'll see the Keymap, so you can change your keybinds, and then make sure you save those preferences. The really important keybinds that you're going to need to know for navigation, we have a panning, which is moving up and down, and that's shifting and middle mouse, or you can press the hand, or additionally you can also use just the middle mouse button depending on your settings. You also have orbit, which moves the objects, and you can use the middle mouse button. You can drag it using that little gizmo, or you can go press edit, then preferences, and press input, and then it'll be emulate 3-button mouse, and that's better for trackpad, but my preference is just shift plus middle mouse button. We also have zoom, which is closer and farther, so you can use scroll, or you can hold down the magnifying glass. And then for axis, you can just click on the axis and then you can revolve around it. To fly to a selected object, press numpad and period, and you can also use back quote and 3. To delete something, press X and then confirm that decision, and then to revert, that will be command and Z, and revert is just going back on your decision and it'll save a previous state. Let's go over how you're going to organize everything you put in Blender. So first, to make a new collection, all you have to do is either right click in the data outliner and press new collection, or you can hover over the data outliner and press C, or you can press that top right button that looks like a little collection or box. And to rename a collection, all you have to do is double click and type in the box. And then to color your collection, all you have to do is click the collection icon and select which color you want. And here's a little key that I use, and if you want to use it, then that'd be greatly appreciated. To move an object to a collection, all you have to do is highlight it and then press M and move it to the collection you want to, or you can select the hierarchy and drag the collection in the data outliner. To view a layer, all you have to do is press the check mark, which will either turn it on or off. To collapse or open something, all you have to do is press the arrow. To collapse all or expand all, that's Shift A in the data outliner. For viewport visibility, you can press Shift and then press the eyeball, or you can just press H when you highlight everything. And for render visibility, all you have to do is press the camera. And to affect render visibility for multiple objects, all you have to do is use Option or Alt, hold that down, and then press the camera. So yeah, I hope you found that this video was a good opportunity to learn the basics of Blender, and in the next episode it will be textures, lighting, and render settings. And if you need any help, just contact TerraBlend or leave a comment down below. With that all being said, this is 14525 TerraBlend signing out.